This problem named 1378 replace employee ID with unique identifier. As a part of this, we are supposed to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, we just have to replace with null. The order is not important in this particular problem statement. The result format is in the following example. You can see here, this is an input table. There is an employees table with ID and name. You have another employee unique table which has got ID and unique ID. So the matching field between this table of employees and employee uni is the ID. That's the linchpin between these two tables. Okay. And the expected outcome is something like this. You have the name of the users, but you also have the unique IDs. And wherever it is applicable, it shows, and wherever the unique ID is not there, it is displayed as null. We will not touch upon the select statement and the other details. Let's quickly jump to the crucial part, which is the left join. You perform a left join between the employees table and the employee uni table based on the ID column. This allows you to match the employees with their unique IDs where available. The left join ensures that all the rows from the employees table are included in the result, even if there is no corresponding ID in the employee uni. This is why you get null values for users without a unique ID. The result of this query is a table that shows the unique ID of each user where available and null for users without a unique ID. Secondly, I have also used variables, as you can see here. Keep in mind that the order of execution starts from and these eventually get followed, and select gets executed somewhere at 5th or 4th stage. So that's why you are declaring the variable of this particular table in from. Okay, you can also use as, which some people do, which is optional. Even if you give for only one table as, and if you skip for the other table, from a readability point of view it doesn't look really good, but the system will still code it. Also keep in mind that the objective of giving variables is there are multiple reasons, but two major things are it makes the table name abbreviated, as in this case. Secondly, people also use it to make it more readable, which is probably not the objective here. Here it's just to instead of typing all the 10 letters or 8 letters, I just used a single letter so that it's easy for me to amend the variable names here. Okay, thank you.